This video provides a case study of a maintenance management system as configured specifically for Integrated Building Systems Pty Limited. We have here Mr. Keith Steele, who's the owner of the company. Keith, let's start by asking what drove you to move away from an off-the-shelf product to a visual vault-driven system configured exactly to suit your needs.
Well, Bill, as you know, we had previously adopted a standard CRM package. We discovered that ongoing upgrades were introducing complexities unwanted and not required in our in-house processes. At the same time, we were familiar with Visual Vault as a result of our work with Qantas and had gained an understanding of the use of smart forms in relational databases as applies to maintenance management by automation technologies.
So when you approached AT to configure this system, did you have a clear idea of what you were seeking?
Absolutely. We knew we had no requirement to integrate accounting software, but had a key need for all other customer details and service records to be retained in one location and delivered to our technicians and clients in real time via the web.
What was your approach to managing legacy data?
Well, we needed to retain all key legacy data in our new vault, so we performed a preliminary housekeeping internally to ensure only meaningful data was supplied to AT for inclusion. We also needed to make sure we could build upon this data and trigger full data export if necessary.
So, Keith, could you share an overview of your company operations and just briefly describe what the Vault has delivered to you?
Sure. So here you see the default screen for my login with Visual Vault for the Delta Diesel Vault. To give you a quick brief on my business, we're a diesel generator maintenance company maintaining assets for various government departments in Sydney and all of New South Wales and the ACT as well. So we've got a couple of hundred customers and we have about 480 serviceable units that we look after on a regular basis, doing both planned preventative and reactive maintenance. So Visual Vault for us basically allows us to assign work to our technicians, and then they do all of their on-site stuff real time through the Vault.
Many thanks for that overview, Keith. Would you say the solution is delivered in accordance with your original expectations?
Absolutely, I would say they exceeded our original expectations.
And for how many years has this been in place?
Coming up on 7 years. I believe we implemented the system in late 2013.
During that time, has there been any need for major refinements?
No, only minor items as a result of process improvements. And these have been delivered in a timely manner with zero disruption to our operations.
So, in summary, would you recommend an AT Visual Vault-driven solution for maintenance management systems for similar service companies?
I would. I've found it's changed our lives considerably and made them all a lot easier.
Thank you for your time today, Keith.